Hello, welcome to Supermatics online math once again. In today's math tutorial, we are dealing with a calculus problem on the rate of change of a circle. And the problem is the area of a circle is increasing at a rate of 0.4 centimeters squared per second. What is the rate of change of the circumference of the circle when its radius is 5 centimeters? So here we want to reconcile the rate of change of area with the rate of change of the circumference. First, we have the rate of change of area, which is dA dt, and that is given at 0.4 centimeters squared per second. We also have the radius when it is 5 centimeters. Using the chain rule, we know that the rate of change of area, the A dt, that is, the rate of change of area with time is equal to the rate of change of area with respect to the radius, the A dr, times the rate of change of the radius with time, the r dt. Also, the area of a circle is pi r squared. Differentiating this with respect to the radius gives the A dr, and that is 2 pi r. So we can substitute this into this formula using the chain rule in order to get the rate of change of the radius, thus giving us 0.4 centimeters squared per second to be equal to 2 pi r times the r dt, such that the r dt is going to be 0.4 over 2 pi r, which simplifies to 1 over 5 pi r. Now that we have the r dt, we can proceed to calculating the rate of change of the circumference, still using the chain rule, where the rate of change of the circumference, the c dt, is the rate of change of the circumference with respect to the radius, the c dr, times the rate of change of the radius with time, the r dt. But the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. This implies that the rate of change of the circumference with respect to the radius, the c dr, is 2 pi. So we therefore substitute this value, the c dr, and the one earlier obtained, the r dt, into this formula using the chain rule. Therefore, we have the c dt, the rate of change of the circumference with time, to be equal to the c dr, which is 2 pi, times the r dt, the rate of change of the radius, earlier calculated as 1 over 5 pi r, giving us 2 over 5 r. But we have to look for this rate of change of circumference with time at the radius of 5 centimeters. So at r equals to 5 centimeters, the c dt is going to be 2 over 5 times 5, and that is going to be 2 over 25 centimeters per second. Hope you enjoyed this math tutorial. Please click like, comment in the comment box, share and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any of our math tutorial. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be updated from time to time as our tutorials come out. Thank you for watching and have a lovely day. Bye.